Hey everyone, update on the All Freedom giveaway. Okay, I have turned in all the entries. Please stop sending us emails asking if you are entered. You are entered. For every $5 that you purchased, you got one entry. So if you bought a t-shirt for 25 bucks, you got 5 entries. In your order confirmation, if you provided an email, if you didn't provide an email to us, we can't communicate with you. So on your email order confirmation, it said you are entered. And you are entered for one entry for every $5 that you spent. Okay. So I have turned in all the entries from everybody that was there, your entry included, to the sweepstakes company. They're going through all the lists, verifying that everybody's legal beagle, and are getting back with me ASAP. Still planning on releasing the winner on Friday, so stay tuned. You are entered. Thank you very much. Oh, and also, sorry, your order is coming too. Directly on our order, it said allow up to 2 to 3 weeks for shipping. So I got my wife in there that is shipping everything, and Tim over here, and that's basically it. So I got fired from shipping, as you previously know, because I mispackaged some stuff, and we had to make that right. Your stuff is coming. So please be patient. This is the whole deal anyways. So be patient. We're getting everything out. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for Friday. I'm Steve Morris. Have a great day.